Welcome to this tutorial that will show you the traditional method for short multiplication. You need to be confident with your times tables and how to manipulate them and understand place value really well. If you're ready, let's go. Here we've got 2,474 and we're going to multiply it by 6. On the left we'll do it first, and what we can see below the setting out of the calculation is each of the parts of 2,474 partitioned. So we have got 4, the 70, the 400 and the 2,000. I'll multiply 6 by 4. That gives me 24. I'll put that there. I'll then multiply 70 by 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So 70 multiplied by 6 is 420. I'll then multiply 400 by 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So 400 times 6 is 2,400. Then 2,000 times 6, well, 2 times 6 is 12, so 2,000 times 6 is 12,000. I then can add all of the parts together. I have 4 units. If I add 2 tens and 2 tens, I've got 4 tens. I've got 400 at 400, which would give me 800. 2,000 plus 2,000 is 4,000, and the 10,000 is untouched. So my final answer is 14,844. Now look to your right. We're going to multiply the same two numbers together as we have before, but this time we're going to show you the short form of multiplication. We'll start by multiplying the 4 by 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So I'm going to place the 4 here, and the 20 will be carried and added to the total of 70 multiplied by 6. Now 7 times 6 is 42. So 70 multiplied by 6 is 420. But I'm going to add this 20 right here to that total, so I'll have 440. So the 40 goes here, and 400 is carried to the hundreds column. I'll then multiply the 400 by 6. 400 multiplied by 6 is 2,400, but like before, I'm going to add this 400 to the 2,400. So that will give me a total in the hundreds of 2,800. The 800 is placed in the answer, and the 2,000 is carried into the thousands column. I can then multiply 2,000. I can multiply 2,000 by 6, which is 12,000. But once more, I add these 2,000s to my answer. So 2,000 and 12,000 is 14,000. And as you can see, I've got the same answer with both methods, 14,844. Now we'll use the same technique to multiply a decimal number, 62.37 multiplied by 8. Let's start with the 700ths multiplied by 8. 0.07 multiplied by 8 will give us 5 tenths and 6 hundredths. If you think of 7 times 8 is 56, then 0.07 times 8 is 0.56. I can place the 6 hundredths of that answer there, and the 5 tenths in the tenths column. I can then multiply 3 tenths by 8. 3 times 8 is 24, so 0.3 times 8 is 2.4. But I need to add the 5 tenths to that answer. So 2.4 add 0.5 is 2.9. I'm going to place that 9 tenths in the tenths column and carry the 2 units to the units column. I can then multiply the 2 units by 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. But like before, we're going to add these 2 units to that answer. So 2 times 8 is 16, add 2 is 18. So the 8 of that answer can go in the units column, and the 10 of that answer can go in the tens column. Finally, I multiply 60 by 8. 6 times 8 is 48, so 60 times 8 is 480. And once more, I need to add this 10 to my answer. So I would have 490 instead of 480. So my final answer for 62.37 multiplied by 8 is 498.96. You're going to pause this video now and have a go at answering these 5 multiplications using the short method. If you're unsure of how to do it, go back over to the video and have another look at the technique. Best of luck. Here are your answers for the 5 questions. There's quite a lot of borrowing in the later questions, so do make sure that you got them right and that you've done the borrowings accordingly. If you've got 5 out of 5 and they're all right, well done indeed. You have got the short method of multiplication down and you can start to look at the traditional technique for longer multiplication. Well done!